Hi, I'm Heidi Rader here in the Alaska Garden. I'm with UAF Cooperative Extension Service and Tanana Chiefs Conference, and I'll be talking all about growing vegetables, flowers, and berries in your garden and farm. The Brassicaceae family includes a bunch of vegetables that grow super well in Alaska's often cool weather. Some examples include broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, turnips, daikon radishes, and rutabagas. Today I'm going to talk about a few of the below ground or root brassica vegetables. When you think of a radish, you probably think of a small round red radish. Red on the outside and white on the inside, commonly sold in grocery stores. These mature super quickly in under 3 weeks. Examples of this type of radish are cherryette or cherry bell. But radishes come in many shapes and sizes and colors. Some are long and cylindrical, while some are short and stubby. Some are purple and some are white. Daikon radishes, they are white and spicy and make a good addition to kimchi or Korean sauerkraut. We trialed just a few daikon radishes in 2017 and found that Alpine and Summer Cross No. 3 grew big and long respectively. For turnips, purple top white globe is the longtime favorite and in fact is an heirloom variety. But Hakurei turnips and the similar Tokyo Cross are quite a bit more crisp and neutral in their flavor and excellent raw. Tokyo Cross outperformed the other turnips in 2017, but we only tested a few varieties and did not test Hakurei. Purple top white globe seemed more susceptible to root maggots, probably because it takes longer to mature than the smaller varieties. Rutabagas, the largest of all these brassica root crops, turn almost sweet when cooked and have a mild flavor. They have grown gargantuan in my garden. American purple top, Laurentian, and Joan are all recommended varieties. You'll want to plant or thin smaller radishes to a 1-inch spacing, daikon radishes to 5 inches, turnips to 3 to 5 inch spacing, and rutabagas to 4 to 7 inch spacing. My two biggest challenges with growing these crops have been with them bolting, particularly with the small red radishes, and root maggots. To mitigate the tendency to bolt, plant early in the spring. For root maggots, cover the crops with row covers in the spring, floating, or these ones are supported by hoops. The maggots are the larvae of small flies and can stunt or even kill the plants or just make them look a little disgusting to eat. You can eat the grains of all these crops. Radishes and turnips are best eaten raw, in my opinion, while I think of rutabagas as an ideal addition to soups. For more information on growing these brassicas, see the links at the bottom of this video.